What's going on, family? So we got the lights on, we got the generator running, let you know that it's on and off grid. See the light working. We got heat, we got everything jumping out here. We got the generator running. Woo! We got power, we got 220. We good, man. It is alive. It's alive. Everything working, man. We got a few more small things to do, like trim, little thing. We done. We got
USB works.
USB, everything works.
The FCA works.
Yes, sir. Good money. It's coming on along, family. Coming on along. Want to give y'all some updates. We are now live. We had to do a little fabrication. Took some wiring, got everything good. Come to find out I had a faulty plug, so I had to actually go get me another plug. Live and check this out so I can show y'all. We got these dimmers in here. That's the dimmers. You know what I mean? Yeah. Even from the outside. We even got it from the outside joint. So yeah, it's coming on live. I want to give y'all a live update. It is now live, family. We only got a few small things to do, but it's running. HogOn Cafe is about to be up and going here soon. So we got the on and off generator where it can be able to go, you know, on and off grid. All the power, the lights working. Everything is cool. I'm happy, family. I ain't gonna lie. We've been putting a lot of work. I know y'all been following me through this whole process. It's been real. And hey, we almost done. We're almost done. And I'm so excited. It is coming on along. Yes, it is. HogOn. Check out the website, y'all. www.HogOnWelding.com. That's www.HogOnWelding.com. Imagine your shipping container. What you can do to establish your independence in 2021. To establish your independence with a shipping container. Hit us up. Follow us on our social media sites. HogOn Welding on Facebook. HogOn Welding on Instagram. HogOn Welding on Twitter and YouTube. Y'all be blessed. Have a blessed New Year's.